Okay, let's work on problem 1810. 1810 is a dividend yield calculation. The stock of Pillsbury Company is currently selling at $60 per share. So its price, $60. Firm pays a dividend of $1.80 per share. Okay, and if the firm, what is the annual dividend yield? Well, I gave you the formula over here. You can also find that in the book, but the annual dividend yield is the dividend, which is $1.80, divided by the share's price, which is $60. The annual dividend yield would be 3%. Annual dividend yield of 3%. And then we have question B. If the firm has a payout rate of 50%, what is the firm's PE ratio? In other words, we know that this number here, this dividend is 50% of the total payout amount. So if we take the dividend of $1.80 and divide it by the payout rate, we should get the total earnings per share. All right, and that ends up being $3.60. All right, $3.60 is EPS. Again, that's the amount of the dividends. We know that's 50% of the total earnings. The amount of the dividend is 50% of the total earnings. That means to find out what 100% of the earnings are, we divided this number by our 50% payout rate to get $3.60 earnings per share. And to calculate the PE ratio, its price, which is $60, divided by earnings per share, $3.60. So the PE ratio ends up being 16.67 times earnings.